How to find Steam ID. So first, you just simply need to open up your Steam, then just simply click on your profile here on the top right, then click on View My Profile. And once you're there, you will see this little like URL bar here on the top where you could see the numbers in between slashes right there. So that's basically your Steam ID, and just simply click on it and it will copy the whole URL. And what you can do is just simply open up your notepad. Once it's opened up, you just simply need to paste it right there and just simply remove all of these before and after the slashes. Now once that's done, this is basically your Steam ID, and now you could just copy it and paste it or use it to anywhere you want or anything. Now what you can do now is just simply click on save so that it would be saved here on your files. You just simply need to click on save. But that's how you basically find your Steam ID.